$27 per hour. That's the average salary in the United States, according to ZipRecruiter.com, a popular job search engine that is used by many persons. Are you earning close to that amount per hour? Are you satisfied? Do you want a better future? Do you want to be more financially stable? Then you should consider careers that earn above that. But I have some good news for you. Did you know that a lot of those careers can be found in software testing? Yes, my friends, those careers can be found in software testing that earn way above the national average per hour. Do you want to find out? Stick with me today as I'm going to show you some software testing careers that earn more than the national average. Let's get into it. Alright folks, let's start off with a software tester. A software tester is a person who basically tests software to ensure that it satisfies the customer's requirements. They also try to discover defects as early as possible so that they can be reported and fixed before it reaches the customer. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? You should look into it. And guess what? Even more so, because the average salary for a software tester in the United States is $44 per hour according to ZipRecruiter.com. That is above the national average. So, apart from the fact that it is an interesting job, it pays more than the national average, so you should look into this. So, if you want to earn more, then consider a career in software testing. Another exciting field that earns above the national average in software testing is a QA engineer. They perform similar functions to a software tester, but they have additional responsibilities. Some of these responsibilities include preparing test cases to check the software and documenting the results, creating standards and procedures for developers to follow, executing both manual and automated test scripts, coding and implementing automated test cases, communicating with stakeholders to understand and clarify software requirements, and also analyzing test results to predict user behavior, identify bugs, and suggest solutions to minimize problems. Whew, that is a mouthful, can I tell you? In addition to that being a mouthful for the job description, a QA engineer earns a little bit more than a software tester. According to ZipRecruiter.com, they earn approximately $49 per hour. Again, this is more than the $27 per hour, which is the national average. So, if you want to earn more, this is another career that you can consider, being a QA engineer. The next career that I'm going to talk about is one of my favorites to look into. This person is a test automation engineer. They have an exciting job. They're responsible for writing programs that will be used to test software to ensure that defects are uncovered early. This is done to replace some of the manual work that software testers would usually do to ensure that they can discover defects quickly and faster so that software testing can be more efficient. Test automation engineers are skilled in programming languages, they're analytical at heart, and they also are very thorough like a software tester. So what does a test automation engineer earn per hour? According to ZipRecruiter.com, a test automation engineer can earn around $52 per hour. Do you realize that this is above the national average of $27 per hour? You should be convinced by now that these careers are earning much more than the national average. So, if you want to increase your income, you can also consider a career in test automation engineering. The next one I'm going to talk about is a performance tester. Do you like breaking things? Well, pretty much that's what software testing does. It breaks things early to discover defects. But do you really like breaking things? Do you really like pushing things to its limit? That's basically what a performance tester would do. They'll push the system to its breaking point so that it can determine how well it holds up under pressure. Imagine how frustrated you would be if you have an e-commerce website and within 5 minutes on Black Friday it went down simply because too many persons are on it. A performance tester would test these scenarios ahead of time to determine whether or not the system can hold up well under pressure. And if it can't, the performance tester would relay this information to the team so that these bottlenecks can be addressed ahead of time. So what does a performance tester earn? Again, according to ZipRecruiter.com, a performance tester can earn approximately $45 per hour. This again is still above the average of $27 per hour nationally. So I've just showed you now 4 careers in software testing that earn way above the national average. So if you want to earn some more income, consider a career as a performance tester today. There you have it, my friends. I just showed you 4 software testing careers that earn above the national average of $27 per hour. So if you want to increase your income, consider a career in software testing today. But guess what? Although I showed you just 4, these are not the only careers in software testing, because the opportunities in software testing are endless. So look into a career in software testing today to increase your income so that you can have a comfortable lifestyle and also have a better future. So if you want to increase your income, consider a career in software testing today. Thanks for rocking with me in this video. If you found this video useful, please indicate by giving me a thumbs up and indicating in the comments below. Also, if you have any other ideas that you want me to address in the next video where it comes to careers in software testing, feel free to indicate it as well. And guess what? If you found this very useful to yourself, don't just keep it to yourself. Click on that subscribe button and also share this content with your friends, family, and your colleagues. So, thank you for joining me and see you on another episode of Journey to Tech with Craig. Have a good one.